Here they come. Off and pacing, that's Kiki Girl, right out for the early lead. Reed Shoe Fly on the inside, goes off stride as they race into the turn. Foxfield Magician off stride as well. Onto the backside they go. On top of the field, it's Kiki Girl by 7 lengths. Racing second, Reed Shoe Fly. Racing up third on the outside. As they race into the turn, Reed Sapphire going to the first quarter mark. Racing fourth, Foxfield Magician. Opening panel 29.5 as they race around the turn. Others are closing the gap. Lions attacked and treading the field. Green Hill Hanover. We got 3 in and 3 out at the 3/8 marker. Into the lane first time, coming to the halfway point. On top of the field, it's Kiki Girl. On the outside, Reed Sapphire second. Racing third, Reed Shoe Fly. Fourth on the outside, Foxfield Magician. Halfway home as they race into the turn. Racing fifth. Around the turn, Lions attack. The trailer is Green Hill Hanover at the half in 1:03. On to the backside and the 3/4 mark. The leader, Kiki Girl, up on the outside, Reed Sapphire second. Racing third, Reed Shoe Fly at the pylons. Down the backside, going to the 3/4 mark. On the outside, set 3 wide after the leader. 3/4 in 1:31 and 2. Around the final turn, the leader, Kiki Girl. On the outside, second is Foxfield Magician. Racing third. Into the stretch, coming home, Lions attack, moving on the outside, coming 4 wide down the stretch. It's Green Hill Hanover, coming to the wire. Kiki Girl, late rush, Foxfield Magician. Kiki Girl, Foxfield Magician. Push out.